Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to show you a tutorial guide on how to participate or how to go about Credible airdrop that is currently ongoing. Now it's a very easy airdrop. It's not very hard, so it's a simple airdrop. Please guys, if it is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop alpha, you'll be the first to be notified to know. And please don't forget to share, like, and comment. You can use the comment section for any questions you want, and I will try as much as possible to attend to each question that you give me on time. Without any further ado, let's get into it. So the name of this airdrop is called Credible, and it's currently going on. So I'm going to show you guys on how to do. So if I'm going to post the link in the description below, so all you need to do is click on it. It's going to take you to the dashboard. You're going to see register. So once you do, you're just going to register with your email address. It's as simple as that. It's not as that. It's just as simple as that. So I'm going to log in. So let me just log in. So they will send you a verification code to your mail address to verify that you've registered to the platform. So let me simply copy the OTP. Okay, so login successful. So this is how the dashboard looks like. It's just simple things, and now you have two options. You can choose to deposit in the platform for you to run some transaction swap, or you can just simply come down here. These are all you're going to do. So you can connect your wallet, and when you connect, you get at least 200 points of the moon airdrop. And so these are all the dashboards. So all you need to do is click on connect to wallets. You can either choose of any of these. You can use MetaMask, you can use Phantom, or you can use this software if you have it installed as the extension on your system. So I prefer to use MetaMask. So I'm going to click on it and connect MetaMask. Yes. So that's all. You see, I've already done the MetaMask on. So I'm done with that one. So as you can see here, it's complete. So these are all you're going to do. So let me follow them on their Twitter page. So I'm going to follow. So you see they have this tick. That means they are legit and they've been confirmed by Twitter. So all you need to do is to go back. Now you see Twitter joined successful. So whenever you refreshed, it's going to reflect that you've actually done the tax. So I will complete mine, or that I'm just showing you the tax that you need to just do. And then when you come here, you can see cash loan. Yes, so this is cash loan. All these things is asking you is to invest money into it. You can invest your USDC as minimum as $10 in it. So you lend it out, as we can see here. This is this. You just lend it out and then you let the system work it out for you. So that's how simply how it works. Here it is. So these are just what this platform is. So the more you do that, the more you get more points. That's how you accumulate points for this airdrop. It's just as simple as that. So guys, so as you can see here, this is it. So I have 300 moon points of this particular because I've completed. So you have like 8 taxes that you're going to do, and then you're going to get. So once you are done with this one, don't forget to share your own links to family and friends so that they can also hop into it and join. So the more people you refer into it, the more points you get. It's just as simple as that. So once you are done, that is all. So I hope that you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop alpha, you'll be the first to know. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.